a blue dog.
Or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklackney River, Florida, out to 20
I knew they would
nautical
issue that
miles. Coastal waters from Ocklackney River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Swampy River to Keaton Beach, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Swampy River to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:27 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, showers with gusty winds were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles southeast of St. Mark's to 7 nautical miles northwest of Sea Tower, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Sockeye Reef, Old Tower, Sea Tower, Key Tower, and Martha 24 Barge. Seek safe shelter. Runners can expect gusty winds and increasing waves. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Appalachia Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklackney.
Poo-poo.